The high-pressure washer will be well packaged to avoid damage during transportation and storage. Use tools to remove the strapping and open the packaging. The machine is well preserved in the box. The machine and all its accessories are as shown in the video. To install the tire, first install the bearing. Align the installation position. Press the spring button to install the bearing. Then use the tools shown in the video to install the tire. The protruding side of the tire center should face inward. Then unscrew the nut and install the tire. Then put the nut back. Then use a tool to tighten and secure it. Install the other side in the same way. Install the handrail. After inserting it into the mounting hole, press the spring buttons on both sides to install the handrail. Use the tool shown in the video to install the hose bracket. Align the mounting holes, insert the screw, and tighten the nut to secure. Then use a tool to tighten and secure. Install the other side bracket in the same way. Install the spray gun and outlet hose. First, install the spray gun, as shown in the video. Then place the spray gun on the bracket. Then connect one end of the outlet hose to the pump body. Connect the other end to the spray gun. Install the inlet hose. First, install the filter to the inlet hose. Then connect the other end to the pump body. Unscrew the oil dipstick to prepare for adding engine oil. Use a tool to add 600 milliliters of engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. After filling, reinstall the oil dipstick. Unscrew the fuel tank cap to prepare for adding gasoline. Use a tool to add gasoline. Gasoline type: regular unleaded gasoline. After filling, reinstall the fuel tank cap. Put the inlet hose into the water. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. Turn the throttle switch to the maximum left position. Turn the engine on-off switch to the on position. Start the machine by first gently pulling the starter rope to the starting point. Then pull the rope with full force. These two steps can prevent the recoil caused by a full pull. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. Before starting to use, first press the spray gun until the water flow is steady. Then install the nozzle to the spray gun to start high-pressure cleaning. You can also use a multifunction high-pressure nozzle, which can change the spray angle by rotating. If you need to use detergent, connect the hose to the machine. Then put the other end into the detergent. Then install the foam nozzle. After starting, it can produce a large amount of foam, which can greatly improve cleaning efficiency. Alternatively, choose to use a foam spray bottle. The foam produced by the spray bottle is denser, greatly enhancing cleaning effectiveness and coverage. In addition, it can be used with various tools, as shown in the video. Turn off the machine. Turn the on-off switch to the OFF position. Turn the fuel switch to the off position. After use, if the starter rope is difficult to pull, the hose cannot be removed. Press the spray gun to release the pressure inside the machine before normal use.
Hello everyone, this is Bison. What's the biggest deal breaker when your customers want to wash their driveway, clean their farm equipment, or tidy up a pool? The power cord. If you are a distributor only stocking electric pressure washers, you are leaving massive money on the table. Today, right here at the Bison factory, we are looking at an absolute game changer for off-grid cleaning. Our 7 HP household gasoline pressure washer. Let's talk about why cutting the cord is the key to going viral in your market. To truly break free, you don't just need to ditch the power outlet. You also need to ditch the water tank. This machine is powered by an absolute 210 displacement, a 4-stroke engine. Fill up the 3-liter tank and your customers get up to 2 hours of cleaning power anywhere. But here is the real viral feature, the self-priming aluminum pump. You don't need pressurized city water. Just drop the filtered inlet hose into a bucket, a ring barrier, or a swimming pool, and you are ready to blast. Total off-grid freedom. You buyers in rural South Africa or off-grid properties in Europe will buy this on the spot. Let's talk specifications. This one is our household model, but we built it tough. It pushes a max pressure of 190 bar with a flow rate of 9.2 liters per minute. It easily strips grime of outdoor walls and muddy vehicles. In the household market, the industry standard is around 100 hours, but we pushed it around 150 hours. We gave it a thickened, shock-absorbing frame, a completely maintenance-free pump, and low oil protection to stop engine damage before it happens. What's more, the easy pull recoil start means anyone can fire it up on the first try. When your customers unbox this, they get the full option. It is standard with a industrial GO2 gun and 8-meter hose, quick connect nozzles, and complete tool kit. Everything they need to start working right out of the box. Zero friction for the end user means zero headaches for you as a dealer. We know international shipping is brutal. That's why every unit is secured in 7-layer heavy-duty carton with custom foam and air columns. It arrives at your warehouse in a perfect condition, ready to sell. If you want to dominate the outdoor cleaning market in your local and stock a fast-moving, high-profit product, you need to talk to us. Click the link in the description to chat with our Bison Wholesale team on WhatsApp directly. Drop a like, hit the subscribe, and let's grow your business. If you distribute power machinery in Latin America, Southeast Asia, or Middle East, you already know the biggest killer of electric pressure washers is not overwork, it's unstable voltage when the grid drops below 190 volts. Traditional induction motors stop, overheat, and burn out in minutes. Then your customers demand refunds and your profit disappears. The secret is our commercial grade AC permanent magnet inverter motor. Unlike traditional machines, this unit actively adapts to voltage fluctuation. Watch this. We are manually dropping the voltage from 220 volts down to an extreme 150 volts. The machine doesn't stop. It keeps pumping. It operates perfectly within a message range of 150 volts to 250 volts. Because of the highly efficient inverter technology, we achieved something incredible. This machine is 50% smaller and 60% lighter than traditional pressure washers. It only has 14 kilograms. But don't let the size fool you. It draws up to 3,000 watts of input power, delivering a max pressure of 140 bar. More importantly, it pushes a massive 11 liters per minute flow rate. This is a commercial grade flushing power in the portable box. We built this for professionals. It comes standard with a 10-meter steel braided high pressure hose, an industrial trigger gun, and quick connect nozzles. Engineered with a heavy-duty pump, it boasts a lifespan of over 600 hours. This makes it the absolute perfect choice for property management team, auto detailing shops, remote farm, and hotels, where reliable daily cleaning is mandatory. If your customers suffer from bad electrical grids, don't sell them traditional machines. That will ruin your reputation. Sell them Bison inverter pressure washers. Survive extreme voltage, eliminate warranty claims, and secure your profit. Ready to upgrade your inventory? Hit the link below to chat with our sales team on WhatsApp directly. Let's dominate your market together. See you next time.